Today we're going to be grilling up some picanha steak 3 ways. Let's go ahead and open this up and then cut them. Okay, we cleaned up our piece of picanha over here. We're going to go ahead and cut it and then season it. So you see the picanha has a nice thick layer of fat. Let's go ahead and trim that to our liking and then slice them up into different size cuts. So we're going to cut them about an inch thick. We could use this to grease up the grill so that the steaks won't stick. Let's go ahead and season them. Let's do a couple with just salt. And we can go ahead and be generous with the salt. And then for this one, let's put salt and garlic pepper. And with this last one, let's just do garlic sea salt. Got our picanha steaks ready to be grilled. You get a nice layer of fat with a nice tender piece of steak. We got our grill nice and hot. Let's go ahead and use that piece of fat to go ahead and grease up this grill. Go ahead and put them on the side with indirect heat over here. Cook those for about 20 minutes and then we're going to finish them off by searing the sides. We had these cooking for about 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and sear them and finish them off. These picanha steaks should be about done. Let's go ahead and let them rest for about 10 minutes.